location is definitely a benefit, right? Being able to draw talent from all over the city is absolutely fantastic. Having access to the Eastern Expressway as well on the other side of the Godrej complex with LBS is a very big benefit. So
it is centrally located, whereby the western and central Bombay can reach this place quickly. And this campus holds so many good companies that people feel very good to come here and work. So I would say that highly convenient, very secure place to work.
Vikhroli being the center at the center of the city, in terms of the transportation system available, we see colleagues are very happy coming to the office because there is a flexibility in terms of time, not completely relied on a company transport for their movement.
So by a location perspective, overall, I think it's kind of, we are able to attract the talent that we would want to. We are not necessarily in either corners of the city. So it is, as of now, it really works well for us.
I like the location the best. There has never been a disruption to my operations. What the location helps is that it expands. I can hire people from all parts of the city.
I think if I look at this place in Vikhroli, I think it's centrally located for us. It does, offer very good connectivity for our employees as well as for our customers.